Unlock your dream career at one of the world's leading financial institutions. Getting noticed by Goldman Sachs starts with a resume that screams potential. First, let's talk about impact. Recruiters at Goldman Sachs are looking for more than just job titles. They want to see what you achieve. Start each bullet point with a powerful action verb like developed, implemented, managed, or analyzed. But don't stop there. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. Instead of saying assisted with financial reports, say assisted with financial reports, leading to a 15% reduction in processing errors. Numbers demonstrate tangible value. Goldman Sachs values specific skills. Tailor your resume to highlight those most relevant to the role you're applying for. Think financial modeling, data analysis, proficiency in Excel and Bloomberg terminals, and strong communication skills for client interaction. Beyond work experience, showcase relevant projects, internships, or even significant academic achievements. Did you lead a student investment club? Manage a personal portfolio? These demonstrate initiative and passion for finance. Craft a compelling summary or objective statement at the very top. This is your elevator pitch. Briefly state your key skills and career aspirations, showing immediate relevance to Goldman Sachs goals. Finally, proofread meticulously. Typos and grammatical errors can be a deal breaker. Ensure your formatting is clean, consistent, and professional, making your resume a pleasure to read.